बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 12 मई 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है कैडेट कॉलेज गोड की सिंध जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फ्रॉम मेल कैंडिडेट्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोस्ट लेक्चरर उर्दू BPS 17 पोस्ट नंबर 1। पोजीशन 1 है। क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड MSc/MA 4 years in Urdu literature, minimum second class in relevant subject with at least 5 years teaching experience in reputable institutions, age 35 years। उर्दू लेक्चरर के लिए। नंबर 2 लेक्चरर सिंधी BPS 17 पोजीशन 1। MSc/MA 4 years in Sindhi literature, minimum second class in relevant subject with at least 5 years teaching experience in reputable institutions, age 35 years। Number 3 dispenser BPS 14 position number 1। FSc minimum second class and diploma certificate in subject with at least 5 years experience in relevant field, age 30 to 35 years। नंबर 4 गेम इंस्ट्रक्टर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है हॉकी BPS 12 पोजीशन 1। इंटरमीडिएट मिनिमम सेकेंड क्लास डिप्लोमा सर्टिफिकेट इन रेलिवेंट सब्जेक्ट विद एटलीस्ट 5 years एक्सपीरियंस इन रेलिवेंट फील्ड, एज 30 to 35 years। नंबर 5 पोस्ट ग्राउंडमैन BPS 1 पोस्ट नंबर 1 हैविंग रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस और एज 25 to 30 years, 25 से लेकर 30 साल तक। हाउ टू अप्लाई एप्लीकेशंस अलॉन्ग विद CV इंक्लूडिंग फुल पार्टिकुलर्स, 3 photographs, attested photocopies of relevant education/experience documents should reach the address given below latest by 11th June 2024। Applicants who are already serving in government/semi-government/autonomous bodies should apply through proper channel accompanied by NOC from the employer। Relaxation in age limit shall be given as per government policy only। Shortlisted candidates will be called for written test/interview। Written test will be conducted by IB Sakhar for teachers/lecturers। Venue, date and time will be communicated to candidates through courier/phone call/email/message। College reserves the right to reject any or all applications. Incomplete applications in any manner shall not be entertained. No TA/DA will be paid for appearing in written test/interview। Candidates applying for BPS 17 post shall submit pay order of ₹1,500, ₹1,500 only in favor of Cadet College Godki along with the aforesaid documents। Fringe benefits and facilities initially appointment will be on contract basis for 2 years। Salary as per GOS pay scale। Cadet college allowance as per college rules। On campus single accommodation/merit subject to availability। Free emergency medical facility available at campus। On job training shall be arranged for fresh incumbents। Scholarship/study leave for improvement of qualification shall be provided subject to fulfillment of terms and conditions as per rules। Education for staff children on subsidized fee rate at Cadet College Godki only। Leave encashment for staff GPF group insurance ineligibility conditions। Tampering of academic record for certificates forgery concealment to get undue advantage, giving incomplete, false or wrongful information। Complaint/queries phone number 07236500186, 07236500186/031329555644, 031329555644। Address Cadet College Godki, Main National Highway District Godki, Sindh, Pakistan। प्रिंसिपल/प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर कैडेट कॉलेज गोडकी सिंध। प्रिंसिपल/प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर कैडेट कॉलेज गोडकी सिंध, पढ़ंदी सिंध था वडंदी सिंध। कराची गोल्फ क्लब करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी assistant golf course superintendent. Roles and responsibilities. Be able to assist the course superintendent in managing and directing the maintenance, management, and operation of the golf course. The candidate is expected to assist the course superintendent in the implementation of the agronomic plans for the course and landscape, ensure uninterrupted performance of equipment and vehicles, and ensure high levels of productivity of staff responsibilities. The candidate should have experience in growing, maintaining, and manicuring multiple varieties of turf, grass, maintain and manage robust documentation procedures of chemical, pesticide, and fertilizer use. Number 3, work closely with maintenance staff in executing horticultural schedules. Number 4, assist the course superintendent in developing and deploying procedures for the protection of turf/course against and during extreme weather conditions. Number 5, minimum 3 years of experience in golf course management is mandatory. The candidate should be a graduate in agriculture. Preference will be given to candidates having a certificate in turf management and excellent verbal communication and or interpersonal skills. The job offers a competitive salary package and excellent working environment and growth opportunities. Interested candidates should send their updated resume to the Chief Operating Officer, Karachi Golf Club, Habib Ibrahim Rahim, Tula Road, Karsaz, or email at info@karachigolf.com.pk by May 26, 2024. Note: Karachi Golf Club provides equal opportunity for all candidates. The club reserves the right to accept or reject any application without assigning any reason. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।